How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Tag Team Cards, where you get to watch and listen as a millennial couple opens various trading card and sports-related products. I'm one half of that couple. You can call me Captain Tim Subi if you're on Twitch TV. On here, you can call me Spam, or you can just call me by my real name, which is Tim. It's just going to be me today. Emily is not available at the moment. And yeah, we've opened this before. Saw it, wanted to get it one more time, seeing as how this year's draft is coming up. This is last year's Panini Prizm draft picks, 2025. Obviously, you're wanting the big rookies from last year, Travis Hunter, people like that. I guess you could say Arch Manning if there was something nice of his in here. Wouldn't be too bad, but they're looking for the people that are going to get drafted in the first round. No shade on it, by the way. Okay. That's what they look like. And we're just going to rip into these guys. Like I said, we've done this before. It's been a little while, but we have opened this product once or twice in the past. Ooh, there's Trey Harris right off the bat. Back. Silver. Sorry, that was my finger. We'll do the green in a minute. Oh, look at Derrick Henry. And Wari. I just realized, do they not have the college rights? That's funny. The green is, ooh, Fanta Jr. 21 of 49. Heck yeah. I have my moments, guys. I really do. I have moments. Are you telling me? Oh my gosh. Give me a second, guys. Somehow was out of soft sleeves. Not anymore. I got some. Yeah, that fan is not bad for a single blaster. It's interesting to get that. I'm not going to complain about that. Oh, I want one more. This one for sure. Oops. Wonder why these are a little bit bigger than they should be. And you know what? I will say, even though it's a base one right now, that's a good one. Let's go into the next one. That was a pretty nice first pack. Pretty nice first pack. So we bust out with a 1 of 1. Well, there's a good one to get. Tyler Shug. We'll sleeve that. Azare Thomas, I think is how you would say that. Bettis, man. Look at Bettis back in there. Look at those pads, dude. Gunnar Helm. Brady Cook. Yeah, I'll sleeve it just because. It's not a bad looking car. And I'm going to sleeve this one, obviously, because it's Mr. Shug. Is he the future of the Saints? We shall see soon, I guess. What do you guys think? Is he the future? You think he's the future of the Saints? Does he have it? Is he the guy? Donovan Edwards. Will Shepard. We got a Tez Johnson. A Tyree rookie. Here comes purple. Ooh, okay. Not bad. Not bad. The other way then. There we go. We're going to put that over this. Sorry, Brady Cook. You're still a hit, but you're not that hit. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. I think Cardinals go O-line. I think Texans go... I want to say O-line. I think they need to protect CJ better. I still say they need to protect CJ better. Got something interesting in there. That's all I want to see is them try to do something for him in terms of getting him some protection. I don't know why, but this looks like an old school photo. And Nebraska. Huh. That's interesting. But yeah, rated prospect, Dylan Raiola. It's interesting. Not a bad one. I will put that like this, because I think that was a decent one to get too. Well, I know the last card's a Wolverine. It's a rookie there. Riley Leonard. Mr. Charles Woodson himself, actually. Quinn Ewers. He's in the NFL now. Riley Leonard is too. Ooh. Interesting. 96 of 125. Numbered card. So we've gotten two numbered. Put that like that. Last pack luck, I guess. I mean, we've already got two numbers. The only thing that would be better would be a better numbered player, I guess, or an auto. Fannin Jr. for the rookie. That's a good card right there to get. I have sold this card a few times. Mr. Myles Garrett. Booker. And... there we go. You know, back-to-backs. It only would have been better if this was numbered. But, you know, you can't win them all. And to be honest, we got like quite a good, decent haul for a blaster. I think this was a pretty decent blaster. You guys might think I'm crazy. I'm not sure. I think I'm not crazy. But, of course, if you're crazy, you would think you're not. I'll go through the hits real quick. I'm going to give this right now off the bat. I don't remember what I gave it originally. But for a blaster, man, I'm going to give it an 8. Because I already like the product. But, like, dude, look, like, this thing, like, legit juiced. Like, I think all of these are something anybody watching right now would want to have. We'll go from the bottom up. Tyler Shough, base rookie. We've got Nick Emenwari, base rookie. We got a Jaxson Dart, base rookie. We also got a Jaxson Dart, student orientation rookie. Covering up with my fingers, sorry. We got a Brady Cook, rookie, green, parallel, blaster exclusive, if I remember right. Jack Beck, silver. Raiola, rated prospect, instant impact. A Jack Sawyer, numbered to 125, and this is number 96, rookie. And then we got the Tyler Sugar rookie card right here. That's the purple. I forget what they call it exactly. I'm going to say it's Pulsar, but I know it's not what it is. But pretty sick. And then the numbered to 49. This is 21. New recruits Harold Fannin Jr. rookie card right here. Pretty sick, guys. Pretty sick. 8 overall. Let me know what you guys think. Let me hear what you got to say, Tina. Dang it. All right. So basically that's saying like, oh my gosh, hit. Oh my gosh. That's not a bad hit either. Oh my gosh. Like, this is not a bad haul from a blaster, guys. And then you have some decent legend regular stuff for your base and some investment cards for the future, should these people end up being pretty big, which some of them are already making a name for themselves. You know what I mean? So yeah, I like the product very much. Let me know what you think, guys, in the chat. With that being said, we're getting closer. 150 subscribers is approaching. Once we hit that, we're doing our first numbered card giveaway. We're going to be giving away this card. It's numbered to 799. It is number 744. I don't know if you can see it completely, but it is 744. It's a Donruss Elite rookie card for Shedeur Sanders. You guys know you want it. Look at that. So yeah, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Keep on lookout for more videos, and we should have actually a Mailbag Monday video coming up, so be on the lookout for that. Until then, stay safe, take care, and as always, remember to rip responsibly.